Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and doing your best. I am Mrs. Meenu and this is the first video lecture of chapter 12 Patterns for class 4. Dear students, a pattern is an arrangement of lines or shapes, especially a design in which the same shape is repeated at regular intervals over a surface. There are various places in real life where patterns exist. In most cases, there are attractive patterns and are designed for some useful purposes. You can see in the given picture, simple brick patterns are used to build all types of structures. Here bricks are in rectangle shape. We can use plain shapes to make any pattern. Here is another example. You can see tiles pattern of walls, floor and buildings which are very attractive to see. Dear students, we can see patterns in nature also. Many birds, animals, flowers, and insects are the wonderful example of pattern. We can see different type of patterns on their body. So, there are many objectives to learn about patterns. The first objective is you can identify what a pattern is and predict what should come next in patterns. Second, you can apply the knowledge to create a pattern. And third is it helps us to understand patterns for learning complex number concepts and mathematical operations. Fourth is secret codes. It is a method of writing messages used for transmitting messages requiring secrecy. And fifth is patterns are used in different manners to make number towers. And last but not least, you will learn about Rangoli patterns. It is a famous art form of India in which different shapes and designs are made on the floor. Before starting the chapter, first of all, have a look over the mind map of this chapter. In this chapter, you will learn about patterns in numbers and letters, patterns in multiplication tables, patterns in addition and multiplication, number towers, secret codes, and tiles and rangoli patterns. First of all, we talk about patterns in numbers and letters. If we have to find the pattern of a series, the general number pattern is the difference between in the numbers in the sequence, and we use that fact to find out the next numbers. Now have a look at the sequence of these numbers. Here is given 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. And can you guess the next number? So we will start at 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So we will keep adding 2 each time and then we will get next number. Now we will add 2 in 11 and we will get 13. Once you understand the pattern, you can easily complete the number patterns. Did you know that patterns can be described by rules? The rules can be addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Now we will take one more example. Here are numbers 176, 166, 156, 146. If you will look at the numbers carefully, each term is 10 less than the previous term. We will minus 10 from the each number. So next number which we will write, that is 136. Now 136 minus 10 is 126. 126 minus 10 is 116. 116 minus 10 is 106. In this way, here we use term decrease by 10. Dear students, patterns can be in numbers, letters, symbols and even in signs also. But now we will complete the alphabet series. Here is written PQ, RS, TU and we have to find next three terms. If we will observe, in this term alphabets are continuously. Now we will read it. PQ, RS, TU. So next will be VW and then XY and then ZA. It means you will write the next alphabets. Sometimes we have to complete the series according to the repetition of the symbols. Like here is one example. First is here square, then triangle, then circle, then again square, then triangle and then next figure which we will draw, that is circle. Here we will use the rule of repetition. Now we will take another example. Here you can see double line arrows. The first arrow direction is downside and the direction of next arrow is upper side. Then again direction of arrow is downside and next arrow direction is upper side. So next arrow direction will be downside. In this way, we will see the directions of the arrows and complete the patterns. I hope now you are able to complete the patterns in numbers and letters. We will meet in the next video with next contents. Till then, stay home, stay safe.